Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is happy to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. You can call or text us at 647-400-3081. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to one of our most versatile and user-friendly products, the Gears Deluxe Helmet Bag. Designed for power sport riders who demand both functionality and durability, this bag is a game changer. It's designed to fit all types of helmets, including motorcycle, dirt bike, ATV, and snowmobile helmets, and is large enough to accommodate even the biggest full-face helmets. Imagine your helmet, that precious piece of gear that safeguards your head, being wrapped in a cocoon of heavy-duty, UV-coated nylon. That's the exterior of our Deluxe Helmet Bag. It's built to shield your helmet from not just dust and scratches, but also from the UV rays that could fade your helmet's paint. Now, let's talk about the interior. We're stepping up the game by lining it with premium Sherpa fur. Not only does it give a luxurious feel, but it also polishes your helmet every time you store it away, protecting it from scuffs and minor dings. But what sets the Gears Deluxe Helmet Bag apart is its incredibly rider-friendly design. The bag's main zippered compartment unzips from edge to edge. No more struggling to fit your helmet in a tight bag. Just unzip, place, and zip back up. And the convenient carry handle stitched on the top allows you to easily tote your helmet around wherever your adventures take you. Don't forget about our thoughtfully designed exterior eyewear pocket. Large enough to hold your riding goggles or a pair of sunglasses, it ensures that you have all your essential gear in one place. As with all Gears products, you can ride with confidence knowing your Deluxe Helmet Bag comes with an ironclad 1-year warranty. Why settle for anything less? To sum it up, the Gears Deluxe Helmet Bag is not just a bag. It's a gear essential that lets you seize your adventure.